What makes us happy? Is it in our control? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to radiate happiness while others struggle to find joy? Welcome to English Smarties, the place where you practice your English with fascinating topics. Make sure to subscribe for more academic topics in English. Is happiness a matter of luck, or can we actively cultivate it in our lives? This question has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries, and while there's no single answer, research offers fascinating insights into the science of happiness. In this essay, we'll explore the multifaceted nature of happiness, delving into the factors that contribute to a fulfilling and joyful life. Decoding happiness, more than just a feeling. Happiness is not merely a fleeting emotion, it's a state of overall well-being encompassing emotional, psychological, and social dimensions. It's about experiencing positive emotions like joy, contentment, and gratitude, while also navigating life's challenges with resilience and optimism. Our brains play a crucial role in our experience of happiness. Neurochemicals like dopamine and serotonin are key players in this intricate system. Dopamine, often called the reward molecule, is released when we achieve goals or experience something pleasurable. Serotonin, on the other hand, contributes to feelings of well-being, calmness, and social connectedness. Understanding these neurochemical processes provides valuable insights into the biological underpinnings of happiness. The positive psychology prescription, gratitude, mindfulness, and optimism. In recent decades, the field of positive psychology has emerged, shifting the focus from mental illness to cultivating well-being. Positive psychology emphasizes our strengths and resources, providing practical tools for enhancing happiness. Gratitude, the practice of appreciating the good in our lives, is a cornerstone of positive psychology. Studies have shown that regularly expressing gratitude can boost happiness levels and improve overall well-being. Mindfulness, another key concept, encourages us to be fully present in the moment, observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice helps us savor positive experiences and navigate difficult emotions with greater ease. Optimism, the belief that good things will happen, is also linked to increased happiness and resilience. By cultivating these positive mindsets and practices, we can actively shape our experience of happiness. Section 4. The power of connection, relationships, and community. Humans are social creatures wired for connection. Strong social relationships are fundamental to our well-being and play a significant role in our happiness. Spending time with loved ones, nurturing meaningful connections, and feeling a sense of belonging all contribute to a happier and more fulfilling life. Conversely, social isolation and loneliness have been linked to various health problems and reduced well-being. Building strong social connections through meaningful conversations, shared activities, and acts of kindness can significantly impact our happiness levels. Section 5. Money and happiness, a complex relationship. The age-old question of whether money buys happiness has a more nuanced answer than we might think. While financial stability is undoubtedly important for meeting basic needs and reducing stress, research suggests that beyond a certain income level, the correlation between wealth and happiness plateaus. While money can provide comfort and opportunities, it's essential to recognize that lasting happiness stems from factors that run deeper than material possessions. Focusing on experiences, relationships, and personal growth tends to yield more sustainable happiness than chasing material wealth. Section 6. Finding your purpose, the key to lasting happiness. One of the most profound contributors to lasting happiness is finding meaning and purpose in life. Engaging in activities that align with our values, using our strengths to make a difference, and pursuing goals that give us a sense of accomplishment can lead to a deep and enduring sense of fulfillment. This sense of purpose doesn't have to be tied to grand ambitions. It can be found in everyday acts of kindness, creative pursuits, or contributing to our communities. When we live with intention and purpose, our lives become infused with a sense of meaning that transcends fleeting pleasures. Section 7. What truly matters? A question for reflection. As we've explored, happiness is a multifaceted and dynamic state influenced by a complex interplay of factors. While genetics and external circumstances play a role, we have a significant degree of agency in shaping our own happiness. By cultivating gratitude, mindfulness, and optimism, nurturing strong social connections, finding meaning in our work and lives, and prioritizing experiences over material possessions, we can pave the way for a more joyful and fulfilling life. As you reflect on your own journey to happiness, ask yourself, what brings you the most joy? Is it the warmth of close relationships, the thrill of new experiences, the security of financial comfort, or perhaps a combination of these elements? By understanding what truly matters to us, we can make conscious choices that lead to a life rich in meaning and happiness. If you found this video helpful, be sure to come back for more. Practice your English and stay curious.